Hi everyone, for today's invention I will need a broken glue gun and a sheet of metal. First, I break off this part of the gun, I won't need it. With the help of the pliers, I unscrew the nut and remove the cover from the handle. On a sheet of metal, I measure out 8 cm and put a mark. In fact, the size can be different as you like. I clamp a sheet of metal in a vise and use a grinder to cut out the necessary workpiece. On the grinding machine, I will sand the place of the cut. Now I will mark the center on the blank and use the cord to make a serif. Now in the center with a drill we make a hole of the appropriate size. Using a larger drill bit, I'll form a funnel in the place of the hole. On the reverse side, I apply a bolt and hammer it into the center of the hole. Thanks to these actions, I get this shape of the blank. Now I connect it to the handle of the glue gun. This will be the jack leg. Now I need to prepare a second blank, which will lift objects. I measure out 11 cm on the sheet of metal and mark it. I clamp a sheet of metal in a vise and cut off the workpiece. With the help of a grinding machine, the cut points are processed. I measure 3 cm from the edge and put a serif. I find the center of the blank at this distance. We use a drill to make a hole. I apply the blank to the handle and plan a place for mounting. I will fasten with 4 small bolts. I clamp the workpiece in a vise and make holes of the appropriate size. Now I connect all the details of the invention. I will try my homemade jack in action. For example, I will lift the door to lubricate the hinges. As you can see, this device lifts objects easily. If you like this idea, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.